Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Has School Library. So in this today's video, has seen the thumbnail. I hope you all got it. So in this school library, it's first I'm doing a DIY project. So I'm very happy to do it. It's very excited to doing it. The process is very nice. So it's what we can say. By seeing the video, I hope you will also be excited. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you the full information, and so without wasting your time, let's go into the video. We need has been in black color paper, picture of yours, double-sided tape, paper cutter, fevicol, scissors. First step, cut out the wastage parts. So yeah guys, as I told to cut the extra part, so I have cutted the extra parts and I have left little bit like 0.5 centimeter. And here we have some 4 sheets like cardboard sheets. So when you used to ask in shop, they used to give you. So for this I have cut it down, like I'll show you, I'll just explain you briefly. So the length of this sheet is actually 27 centimeter. The width is actually 20 centimeter. So how you have to understand means, so I'll show you. Here I used to keep my picture like this. So this is the basic, and so this is the frame. It used to come like this. So it used to come like this. So this is the basic you have to understand. And this is the 3 cuts I have cut it, because for the thickness we need at least this much thickness. So I have did like this. So now what we have to do it is, so first we have to attach this all the sheets like with fevicol. We have to put the glue and we have to attach this total 4 sheets. We have to attach it, and I'll meet you again. So Thank you. Guys, I have sticked like 4 also. I have stick like this. So now you will be getting the thickness. So it's very nice to know that. So now what we have to do the next step. So by seeing this, it's look very good. So now what I'm gonna do it is nothing that I'm not gonna stick this. So I hope that is your member, but I'm not going to stick that. I'm gonna cut this edge like this. I'm gonna cut this. So after cutting, I'll meet you soon. So yeah guys, we have completed doing, like we are sticking the paper. So like this, don't want more connectivity and all, because backside also will be giving the frame. So backside you don't want to stick them. So front is important. So here we have our Kashmiri Rajma. So in the shop you can get it. So I just buy some 250 grams. It's enough for us. So you can use this. So first what we have to do it is, so here I'll be applying some of glue like this. Do it like this, and by one we have to stick them like this. So it takes lots of time. So I just want a quick reaction. So after sticking everything, I'll be back with you all. So yeah guys, I'm back. So something special I'm gonna show you. So it's game, what I can say, it's like mind blowing. So be careful by handling. So it's like awesome. I can say it's awesome. Like this. I can keep a frame. So there are like what I can say, it's amazing. So please do it in your home, try them. So still our steps is not done actually. Still there are so many steps. So watch the video till the end. So next step I'll be showing you now. So yeah guys, as I told, the frame is ready. So the frame is ready. So the background, so what we have to do, so that's nothing that, so this is the background page. What you have to do, I'll just tell you by orally. So for this, as I told, you have to take 3 cardboard sheets and please stick them. Afterwards, take a black same black paper and just stick it. So yeah guys, now what we have to do, I'll be telling you. So yeah guys, this is the background part. So what you have to do it is, this part have to come front and this part have to go back. So first I'll be showing you, as this is a frame, just keep the frame like this and take a small pencil or marking pencil, something else. So just mark like this, okay? So after marking this, so as I took my picture, so now what I'm gonna do is, just keep your picture like this and just you check out that does your picture is fit for that the frame. Yeah, it's absolutely fit. So now what I'm gonna do it is, I'm gonna paste this picture on this face. So let me add some glue. My glue is actually over completed, so it's not coming. So yeah guys, as I have applied some glue, so now keep slowly and you have to attach it because this is the last stage. So please keep like this, don't stick it, just check it out. It's correct, yeah, it's absolutely fine. Now I'll be doing, just take a scale and do like this so it will be easy. If they need some more glue and you can just so keep slowly, it is fit for me. Just stick it out like this slowly, keep slowly. So yeah guys, as we have completed our lovely photo frame which is very handmade. So it's been like, I took 1 day to do this by step, so it's been like amazing. I loved it. I hope even you all loved it. So it's been, I love this, I love this because it's like superb, like it's not looking like handmade. So try in your home. It's like from your home waste you can do it. So this is all kitchen items, you can just do it. So I hope you all like today's video. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up, and if you feel this is helpful to someone, please share the video. And for if you like and if you want to appreciate, please say in the comment box. So yeah guys, for more updates please subscribe to our channel School Library. So thanks a lot, thank you all.